Hi everyone, this is Karen Abelia and welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video ay dadalhin ko kayo sa ating job hunting kasi nag-graduate na tayo and we need a job. So this is gonna be a very long video for me and also it's gonna be a long day. So let's go. Pupunta na tayo sa IT Park kasi doon tayo mag-a-apply ng work. For the meantime, are already here. So this is our first day of job hunting and hopefully everything went well. Go team. Ha ha ha. So, the first company namin in-apply is sa Concentrix. So, dito lang kami nagkita-kita. So, the result of our application there, kami dalawa ni Rowena is failed kami kasi nabagsak kami sa typing test. Yan talaga ako mahina. Isa sa mga kahinaan ko is yung typing test kasi pag nandun ka na sa assessment area kung saan yung typing test is naninigas talaga yung kamay ko kasi super duper lamig doon. Grabe. So, if you are wish to apply there, so you have to go there. So this is our day 2 of job hunting. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Wena.
Hi, welcome to
So this is the day 2. Diri man, di ba? Nalimot man. Dito ta mo labang guro ta kainit na kayo ta. We're heading to the Skyrise 4 building. Kanaw yan mihunong. Gago, mas mahadlo ka na kasi tunga mo hunong. We are here at Ayala Central Block. We are QQ English. Try na to dirawin na. Tara.
English translator mo.
Okay. Didi min kabasa sa English translator daddy.
Pwede lang.
So, the second company naming na-apply na sa teleperformance pero bagsak ako doon sa spoken language nila. Yung tinatanggap lang nila is B2 pero yung sa akin is B1. Hey everyone, we are here again. It's our
Wala ko lain sa konsinina. Liho na lang ko ni ay.
day 3 of job hunting.
Pila na ni ka days 3. Angatan ako. Ito yung brown taga. Tara na, pangitaon na to siya kay para
So, for the third day namin is yung aming pinuntahan na company sa Fondever. So, yung pumunta kami sa IT Park, meron silang recruitment hub doon. At tapos, meron silang 4 na available na assessment area. Pero, hindi talaga siya makakater ng maraming applicants. So, pinadala kami doon sa Robinson's Galleria kasi nandoon yung kanilang company talaga kung saan talaga nakakater sila ng madaming applicants doon sa kanilang recruitment hub. So, pumunta kami doon. Sila na yung nag-arrange ng Grab for us. Sila na din na yung nagbayad. Tapos, all we have to do is to do our best during the assessment. No? Pagdating namin doon is meron silang pinascan na QR code tapos i-fill up mo lahat ng informations na needed doon, yung mga names mo, yung ano ka graduate or so what however, so kailangan mo i-fill up kung ano yung hinihingi doon. Kaya after that, just wait na tatawagin yung name mo for the assessments and then actually madali lang kami doon. So ang very easy lang yung assessment nila doon sa spoken language. So yung all you need to do is you need to prepare what is your passion, interest, and hobbies. Yun lang yung sa spoken language nila. Pero sad to say is lagi akong B1. So pagdating ko doon ay may pagkatapos ng assessment is nabagsak ako. Pero pin-upskill nila ako the other day. So meron kaming virtual meeting na inatinan. Tapos ayun, nag-retake ako. So kung ano yung bagsak ko which is yung spoken language. So yung B1 ko nagiging C1 siya. So ganyan siya. So binigyan nila ako ng second chance. So naipasa ko siya. So the other day is pumunta kami ulit doon to take our initial interview. Then according to the interviewers is nakapasa kami sa initial interview. Then we will just wait for the email for the final interview para nasa accounts yung ganun. Pero somehow as of now July 2 is wala pang nag-i-email sa amin. Pero try namin puntahan doon and then mag-ask kami na for the final interview schedule ganon. So yeah, then yan yung nangyari sa Found Ever na pag-a-apply namin. Up until now, we are still waiting for the email, for the final interview email. We are already inside the mall and now
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, we are here. We are here right now at Robinson's Galleria, Cebu City.
Since
As you can see,
since wala man mi na daw ay actually siya for final interview pero ako wala ko na dawat, so nangita na lang ko during account.
we're looking for something that can... We're looking for...
Outfit check.
Lugulo
So-
sa kunti yun, mommy. No, dapat ni no.
Gani nagay ko i-close.
Let's go na, mommy.
Okay, hey everyone. So we're already inside the Robinson, but this is my first time roaming around the Robinson Mall.
So do I.
Yeah, we're both.
So we're
First
just,
timer.
before we go home, we have to roam around here to look for something. There's a books.
There's a lot of books here. It's free.
Is this free?
Grabe, pag naong naging fresh. Oh, hello. Hi there. I thought that you're a real human. Ano ra din siya?
Oh my god! I wanna go with a toy box.
Uy, asang Bangko de Rey? Respect post. Asang Bangko
Why
de Rey?
don't you ask for some people who you used to stay in this place? Ask them if they know where...
It's so huge, no?
No,
It's so overwhelming. Let's take a picture here. Already find one. But it's so nice.
Hi, mommy.
Tanaw na to kung
RCBC.
here. Banknet, okay? Yeah, 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
So we're looking for Jollibee Delivery.
We are looking
It's getting
for
late.
Jollibee. Yeah, I know. Come here. Wala na dira.
The kids, mommy, magduwa.
Actually, we already find the Jollibee. And right now, we are going to eat there.
Mami, mo balik pa ka tomorrow? Basta i-email ko, mo balik ka? Pabalikon mo ka dito.
Tanaw lang. Happiness ko. Uy, sayop dito. Bitsi. Hi everybody. So we are here at Ayala Central Block, and this is our day 4. Day 4 of job hunting, and we are so super happy. I guess dito tag. No, dito man. Am I right? Am I wrong? Hi, Wena.
Nakabuwas akong lipstick.
Yeah, that's why wala kayo na ko gian. Hindi tilapon. Parang tanga niya.
Sila.
Lami siya. Actually nakatilaw ko.
Kami.
Mao man ni girl. So we are right now at the asa man ni? Inside the
Hot Hall.
Hato. Going to Wipro right now, so you have to go there inside the mall, then going out the mall. And there's the Wipro. So we're coming for you. Oh, dili abi na ko kanira diretso dili. Applicant. Dito na lang daw. Thank you so much.
Pero nang-apply na mas lain.
Oo, nang-apply mo lang. So, pag lunes, nandun ka ron.
Salary ka?
Wala
Wala
kami.
pa son.
Kuha na concentrate sa performance sa iyo
Sa
forever.
concentrate ko kay Rasan.
Okay lang. Ang nakabuhan na namo dito kay ang ilang typing test.
Oo, ara mo sa salary ka karon kay ang ilang mong bugikon kay ang nang voice.
Maudi.
Ano,
So, what ta dito? Let's go. So yeah. Well, actually, supposedly, kami na Rowenas mag-take ng assessment. So, we propose, so to say, is hindi siya nakatake. Hindi ko alam kung ano sinabi niya sa kanila yung recruitment hub doon ng mga agents. So, ako lang yung nakatake ng assessment. And then, nakapasa ako sa kanilang assessment. Actually, hindi ako prepared sa kanilang assessment kasi medyo siya basta hindi ako prepared. And then, pagkatapos nun is, tinawag ako for the initial interview, pero doon ako bumagsak sa initial interview kasi, basta ang grabe talaga yung mga tanungan, hindi ako prepared and hindi ako nakapag-prepare. Yun yung nangyari sa aming, application sa Weeper, but so far we are having fun. And pagkatapos nun is nagkumain lang kami doon sa baba kasi gutom kami, and then umuwi na kami. And for the other day is bumalik kami sa Fondever kasi nag-email sila for our initial interview, and then yun nga yung result ng initial interview namin, we passed, but we still have to wait for the final interview na email. So, yun yung nangyari. Kaya, ayan. Pagkatapos namin dun sa Fondever is we decided na to go home kasi grabe yung lakas ng ulan din that time. And kasama nga pala namin si Ate Pearl that time. So, yan yung mga nangyari. And I can say that my job hunting journey, it's a bit challenging, but at the same time, it's a bit funny kasi ang dami mong madidiscover sa sarili mo, ang dami mong matutunan talaga. Yun lang. And if you wish to apply for the call center agent, so you have to be prepared mentally, physically, financially, kasi magastos din talaga siya. Yun na yung pamasahe mo, yung pagkain mo. Pagkatapos nun is you have to be mentally prepared kasi pag hindi ka mentally prepared, parang mag-blackout ka doon sa mga tanong ng mga interviewers niyo talaga lang. Tapos kailangan mo ding physically prepared kasi more lakad kasi hindi mo kailangan sumakay para makatipid ka. That is the tip. So then I think that would be all, and see you on my next journey sa job hunting kasi since nag-wait pa naman tayo sa email, so magja-job hunt pa rin tayo sa ibang company naman. So see you soon, and please like and subscribe. Bye bye, see you in my next video.